Guys, welcome back to Fancy Rani's channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a double layer scarf. This is for the beginners, so I hope this video will be helpful for you. So first thing first, take your fabric and then cut it off and make sure the both parts are same. So first I'm going to cut the waist part. After cutting the waist part, guys, you can take your measuring tape and just measure from the waist to toe and then cut it off like a circular scarf. So as you can see, it's looking like a circular scarf, and then do the same thing with the second one. But if you want the layer part, then you have to cut the second part smaller than the first one. So my both parts are done now. Now I'm going to cut a bead in the side and then I will stitch it and your scarf will be ready. So it's very easy, guys, and you can do it by all yourself. Then just do it, and if you want to share this with me, then you can just tag me on my Instagram. It's Fancy Rani. And also, guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have any problem, they can comment below and ask me anything. So this is it. My scarf is ready now. As you can see, it's looking really beautiful, and you have to do this is just a demo video, but if you want to do, then you can do it, and this will come out really beautiful, guys. So thank you guys for watching.